Hey everyone, Richard Wilson. Hope you're having a great summer. If you're like me and you have kids that are out of school besides spring break and winter break, it's really the best time to be traveling around. I'm coming to you from Italy right now. I just wanted some Vatican behind me. And I just wanted to reach out and invite you to our Capital Raising Titans event. It's going to be an awesome event. You do not want to miss this. Whether you're currently a member of the Family Office Club or not, you have to be there. It's August 1st in South Florida. And it's in the Fort Lauderdale area, and it is the only event globally where you can hear from 20 plus speakers on stage in one day from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and all 20 speakers are going to give a 10-minute talk on how they have raised over $100 million each. So in 10 minutes, you're going to get the number one or top three strategies that help them raise over $100 million each. And if you think about it, to get this same value, you'd have to go online, network, find people who have raised $100 million, then ask them to maybe have a cup of coffee or a phone call or a Zoom session with you, and then ask them to be thoughtful about their number one or top three strategy on raising $100 million or more. To do that and to line up 20 coffee meetings or 20 Zoom meetings with 20 different people at this level of capital raising expertise would take you maybe an entire year to do. And this is the one event for the entire year where you can pay for an event ticket within the Family Office Club. Otherwise, all 15 of our live events per year are members only exclusively. It doesn't matter if you want to pay $5,000, you can't pay to get a ticket to any of our other events. At this event, we are selling one-off tickets. To learn more, please go to familyoffices.com and register for the Capital Raising Titans event. If you're already a member, this is included with your membership. Otherwise, we encourage you to go to familyoffices.com and make sure and come to our Capital Raising Titans event in South Florida on August 1st. I hope to see you there in person, and we know you're going to love the event, so please sign up now and register before we are 100% full. Thank you.